So we attended this customer's property about 6-8 weeks ago. He had a leak there under the floor. So we had to cut a hole in the floor, find it. That's the hole in the pipe. 18 litres a minute for a couple of months he was losing. Unfortunately, elderly customer, hard of hearing, didn't hear it. They actually had somebody from Severn Trent come round and say, are you aware your water bill is over £4,000? That's how they identified it. So we came in, we could hear it. We thought it was over in that hole there. It wasn't, it was here, but we got it in the end. So today we're going to repair it or put it back. So we have just putting in the tea, bit of press, put on the washing machine connector, or it's actually a dishwasher, and then we'd be done. So listen, thanks very much for watching. Please do like, subscribe and follow. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.